Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we are going to see how you can add more filters on the browse list of users page as a site admin. So first I will just explain the problem what we are going to discuss as a site admin. Just go to the site admin page, and under the users you might be using this browse list of users quite frequently on your Moodle site. This page displays the list of all the users on your Moodle site, and on the top you will see that we have a list of filters to figure out the students or the users which we are looking for on this site. And by default you can see that we have only one filter displayed here on the top, which is named as user full name. The other filters are displayed by clicking this show more button. So you can see that we have a lot of other filters like the email address, username, city, country, and you can also filter out them depending on the user profile fields, etc. Now I will show you how you can add these other filters on top by default so that you do not need to click on this show more button every time to find out your favorite filter. So in order to do that, you need to go back to the users tab here, and here on this users tab, go to accounts and then user management. Here you will see that we have a lot of filters available which are generally displayed on the previous page. Now you need to select which of these filters are available by default on the browse list of users page. So let me say that I would like the email address in addition to the user full name, as well as the user profile field page, and then I would like to add the never accessed or never modified filters, and then I will click on this save changes button. Now we have selected 4 filters, so whenever I will navigate to this browse list of users page on my Moodle site, I will see these different fields on the top, so that I can just enter the relevant information in these fields, and then I will get the result output based on these filters down fast. This can make the life of the site admins slightly easier than ever, and this same filters will also be applicable on the bulk users action page. So if you go to accounts and then go to bulk users action page, so the same filters will be visible on this page also. So this is how you can make the filtering out of users slightly easier as a site admin for yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.